There's so many wireless Bluetooth earbud options out there. It seems like every company is making their own wireless Bluetooth earbud. So what's one way that you can really separate yourself from the others? Sell yours for 20 bucks? Hey guys, welcome to Retether Tech. My name is Jonathan, and these are the Go Air Pop from JLAB. And what makes these special is the price tag. They retail for $20. Now you might think they probably perform like $20 wireless earbuds, but actually these might be the best budget wireless earbuds I've used. Let's start off with design. Nothing special. The case and the buds are made of plastic, but the charging case is pretty compact. The lid opens up and you're presented with the earbuds inside. On the bottom you have the USB charging cable that permanently is attached to the charging case. I expect that they did this to keep costs down. It would be nice if it came with a separate charging cable and a charging brick, but these are $20 wireless earbuds. That's as much as a charging brick and a cable costs nowadays. So I understand what JLAB did here. But just know you're gonna need a USB Type A charging brick, and you're gonna have to charge this pretty close to the power outlet because there's a really tiny charging cable attached to this. But it is actually convenient if you just wanted to pop this into your laptop into the USB Type A port and charge it up that way. But overall, the case is really better than I expected. The magnets that keep the lid shut and the buds in place are strong, and it's a nice design. The buds themselves are lightweight. There's no stem sticking out, which is great. They have rubber tips, which surprisingly fit comfortably in my ears. And there's 3 sets of these gel ear tips, so you can choose the size that fits you better. They don't stick too much out from my ears at least, so I do love that these are kind of low profile. You have the touch sensors on the outside. And honestly, these don't feel like cheap $20 wireless earbuds, which is surprising. I've used $20 wireless earbuds before, and yeah, after an hour or so, they just didn't feel comfortable in my ear anymore. These definitely lasted longer in my ear before they started to feel a little uncomfortable. Now, JLAB says you can get 8+ hours of battery life with the buds themselves and up to 32 hours with the charging case, which is amazing, especially when you consider that the more expensive AirPods, well, they get 6 hours of battery life with the buds themselves and a total of 30 hours with the charging case. So when it comes to battery life, these are definitely punching way above their weight class. Now, you're not gonna find any fancy features like active noise cancellation in these, which, I mean, come on, they're $20. I didn't expect that. But you do have some preset touch controls, which I wish you could customize it, but you're stuck with what JLAB gives you. For example, single tap on the left bud lowers the volume, and single tap on the right bud raises the volume. You can also triple tap either earbud, and that changes the sound profile. Now, these come with 3 preset sound profiles. You can't customize any EQ settings or anything like that, so you're kind of stuck with what JLAB gives you. You have JLAB Signature, Balanced, and Bass Boost. My favorite is definitely the JLAB Signature, but I didn't notice a huge difference between these 3 sound profiles, just some minor tweaks between the 3. And that brings me to the audio. These are decent earbuds when it comes to sound. Yeah, they're not the best I've heard, but they're definitely better than the others I've used in this price range. There's not much bass, even with the bass boost profile set, but they're clear, they get loud. If you want to listen to music, there are better earbuds out there, but they're not as cheap as this one. When it comes to the built-in microphone, well, here's a sample of what that mic sounded like. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test of the microphone inside the Go Air Pop True Wireless Earbud from JLAB. Hopefully this gives you all a better idea of what to expect from the microphone experience on this very budget wireless earbud. You let me know what you think about the microphone. Does it sound good? Not so good? You be the judge. Let me know with a comment down below. So in the end, JLAB, I'm impressed. The Go Air Pop for $20. They're a really good value. Obviously, like I mentioned before, you don't have all the fancy features that you get with the more expensive wireless earbuds. You don't have sensors where it detects when you remove the earbud from your ear and it pauses your music. You don't get things like that, but it gets the basics down. For me, these are perfect for listening to a podcast. I remove one of them, I put it in my ear, it quickly connects to my phone, and I just listen to a podcast while the other one still continues to charge in the charging case. And honestly, it's been perfect for that. And I forgot to mention, these are also IPX4 sweat resistance. So you could take these on a run or take them to the gym, and they're great because if you happen to lose them or damage them, it's not a big deal because they only cost $20. So if you're looking for cheap, inexpensive wireless earbuds, these definitely have to be on the top of your list. But what do you guys think? The Go Air Pop from JLAB, after hearing everything I mentioned, are they worth it? Let me know with a comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this one on tech news, reviews, and opinions, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos, and I'll see you on the next one.